guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a voluminous puff. So if you want to know how I do it, then please keep on watching. So today I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks that I follow to do a puff. So these are things what I do. I'm not saying this is the right way to do, but this is how I do to get my perfect puff hairstyle that I wanted for every good occasion. So when you have a puff, normally your face looks smaller, so that is the main purpose why I like having a puff, because otherwise if I have like a flat hairline like this, then I feel like my forehead looks even much bigger. So that's why I like to keep some volume on the top so that all the attention is drawn towards my hair and not exactly on my forehead. Now let's get started. So the first thing I have done today is I have straightened my hair. If you want to know how I do it, then please click on the icon on top. I have a full video on how I do my hair and how I achieve this super sleek and silky hair at home. So the first thing what we have to be doing is take a comb and remove all the tangles and knots. And the most important thing to make a puff is this tail comb. You can find it in any beauty store. And I'm going to be combing my hair backwards first. Now from the arch of my eyebrows this side till the arch of my eyebrows this side. So this is where my puff has to be exactly placed. So now I'm going to be roughly taking out with my fingers. You can use the comb if you want to. So I have actually taken a box shape here of my hair. Now I will be combing it backwards. So now you take all the hair, twist it at least 2 to 3 times. Now we push it in the front to get some volume. You can push it like this or even like this. So I prefer this much height, and I won't be pinning it right here, but instead I will be pinning it little below, like here. So I will be leaving almost like an inch or inch and a half length. And then I'm using the normal pins to pin it. So the most important thing is to pin it in crosswise so that your hair doesn't fall off throughout the day. Now to further adjust the size of my puff, I'm going to be using this back of my tail comb to adjust its shape. So another thing what I like to do is to loosen the sides a little bit so that it looks a little softer. And you can just comb it and leave it just like that. So after this you can just leave it like this, or you can even put a ponytail and your puff is not gonna move at all. So that's it you guys. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.